Hello! We're here at Gabriola Island. So 25 minutes lang ang ride.
We're heading for our first destination, the Malaspina Galleries. Pababa pa lang kami guys ng ferry. We're here! Demi siya pa doon.
That's why they called it Malaspina Galleries. Oh, this is nice. Bo, di ala lang ka.
Oh, this is Malaspina Galleries guys. Tanawa guys. It's an epic rock formation. Kanindot na lang. Meron palang mga nakatagong hidden gem dito sa Gabriola Island. Napakaganda. Tingnan mo naman yung mga rock formation or ano ko alam kung anong tawag dito. If you visit Vancouver Island, huwag niyong kalimutang dumaan dito sa Gabriola Island. Napakaganda guys. So beautiful. Stunning. Hindi ka magsisisi guys.